How to log into Lebara mobile account online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that My Lebara is installed on your phone. Then you can simply open the application. So after opening the application here, now what we're going to do is simply you can accept all cookies if you want, or you can accept only necessary one. Then you can simply tap on the option get started, right? So after doing that, all you need to do is simply add in the email address of your account, then the password of your account. And after adding down both of them, all you need to do is tap on login, and just like that, you will be logged into your Lebara mobile account online. So if in case, unfortunately, if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply tap on the option forgotten your password right here, and then there will be the option of selecting your country, and you can select whether you want your number or your email address, and then you can simply add in your email address, then tap on reset password. You actually will be getting a link in order to reset the password. Simply open your email, go through that link, and go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password. Then come back to login page, add in your new password, and then tap on login, and like that you'll be logged into your Lebara mobile account online. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.